In this video, we'll show you what to do if your HP laptop is only showing a white screen and you can only see the cursor. So to fix this, you can first try refreshing the graphics driver. So for that, press the Windows Control, Shift and B keys together. Once you do, your screen will flash and hopefully your issue should be resolved. However, if that doesn't work, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard. Once you do, you should see this Task Manager window. If you do see it, you'll need to locate Windows Explorer on your list. Now right click on it and then select Restart. Once you do, your issue should be resolved. However, if that doesn't work or if you can't open the Task Manager, simply press and hold the power button on your HP laptop until it turns off completely. Once it is off, you will need to unplug everything including the charger and all the other USB accessories. So make sure there is nothing plugged into your laptop. Once you have done that, simply press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, simply plug the charger back in and then try to turn on your HP laptop. Once you do, your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.